Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we're gonna use the red Paracord 550 and the green one, also 550. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner, the information cards, also down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So that being said, we're gonna start. We're gonna take the ends of our green first and find the center, like so. Then we're gonna take the red ones, also find the center. So now when we find the center for the both strands, we're gonna start. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Then we're gonna cross the green cord, and with the red one we're gonna pass it from the top into the loop of the green around these two strands, and then pull the red strands through the red loop from the top. As you can see, by doing this we created the double cow stitches, and we're gonna lock this loop here. So when we readjusted our loop for a stop knot on the end, we're gonna proceed. Take the right side green, place it on top of the red one, then around it, and we're gonna return it from the back through the loop. Now with the left side green on top of the red one, around, and also from the back through the loop. Now we're going to take the red strands and we're going to cross the right side red on top of the left one. Then we're going to go under the left strand red and create a bite like this on the right side. Then we're going to take the left side red, pass it under the whole 3 strands of red, and we're going to return it from the back through this gap here. So pull it through, and from here we're going to pass it from the top into the loop, and now we're going to cinch it and proceed. From here, take the green again, the right side green, pass it on top of the, or place it on top of the right side red, around, and from the top through the loop. So here we are, we almost reached the end of today's project. Now we're gonna left just to create the stop knot on the end of these strands. You can create it right away, the stop knot, or you can use a small piece of microcord to wrap it around these 4 strands, like I will do now. So simply create a little bite and then place it on top of your strands. Choose the length of the wrap and then start wrapping. So make it around the strands. And now here, when you reach the bracelet, pull your strands through the loop and then simply pull this side here, this end here, and this will be enough. And okay, we're left just here to cut off this excess of microcord and proceed. So from here, we're not gonna create the diamond stop knot with the 4 strands. Take this strand, place it on top of the closest strand, like so. Now take the strand under this one here and place it on top of the next green one. Now we're gonna take this green and place it on top of the next green, and with the last one, the last green, around this green strand and from the top into the loop here. And we created the box, as you can see, almost the box shape. Now from here, we're gonna take the green strand, pass it under this red strand here, and we're gonna return it from this gap here through the middle. Now we're gonna take this red strand, pass it under this red strand here and around this green one, and pull it through this gap and through the middle. Now with the next red one, around this green, under this green one also, and we're gonna pass it through this gap and through the middle. And with the last green, around the red one, through the gap here, and then through the middle. As simple as that. Now pull it to make it tight, cinch it. So as you can see, we finished our diamond stop knot. Now we're gonna try it, pull it through, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now let's try it on our wrist. So pull it through. And here we are. We reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just the best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next one. Bye!